when I fall. There's to listen when I need you. There's when I feel alone. I love you because you whatever. It's too fast. Walk with me. Set you free. I'm gonna try to sing it again. Someday, someday, hi, here it is. Walk with me. I know. Where is the lyrics? Let's see this one, the karaoke one. Shit. Was it fun? No way to choose to spend time. Everlasting trail. And I love you still. This is different. Okay, I don't want to sing that. It's gonna make sense. Okay, let's listen this one, guys. Let's listen to this one. One people, thank you. Thank you for watching. I was without hope or dreams. I tried to dull an inner cream, but you saw me through. Walk on up in. It's too slow. I don't like it. Take me to your heart. Take me to your soul. Okay, this one, guys. Dying inside. Dying inside to hold you. Dying inside. Turn up just another day. I took a shower and I went on my way. I stopped there as usual, had a coffee and pie. When I turned to leave, I couldn't believe my eyes. Standing there, I didn't know what to say. Without one touch, we stood there face to face. And I was dying inside to hold you. I couldn't believe that I felt for you. Dying inside, I was dying inside, but I couldn't bring myself to touch you. Said hello